Hi there, this is Weblium. For the first time in 7 years, we've completely redesigned our pricing plans. In this video, we'll walk you through what's changed, how to choose the right plan for your needs, and how to lock in the best pricing before the update takes effect. Weblium now offers 3 plans: free, starter, and business, plus a 14-day free trial. Every new website automatically starts with a 14-day trial that includes business features. No credit card is required. If you purchase a subscription during the trial, you'll receive 10 extra days with a monthly plan or 40 extra days with an annual plan. After the trial ends, your website automatically switches to free. Free is designed for simple landing pages and portfolio websites. It includes up to 3 pages, website templates, design blocks, the Evo AI assistant, and 24/7 customer support. Important update: new websites on free remain available for 60 days. After that, they'll become unavailable to visitors. Your website data will be stored for another 60 days before being permanently deleted. To restore your website, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're already using free, upgrade to any annual paid plan at the current price by September 2nd, 2026 to keep your website online and unlock additional features. The biggest update is our brand new Starter plan. Starter is designed for freelancers, service businesses, and growing companies that need more than a basic website but don't need a full online store. It includes a custom domain, SEO tools, forms, quizzes, integrations, and FlexBlock for advanced design customization. If you want to sell products online, accept payments, manage deliveries, or build an online store, choose business. It includes everything in Starter, plus e-commerce, blogging, multilingual websites, automated emails, and advanced business features. One more thing: if you purchase an annual subscription before September 2nd, you'll keep the current price for another year. We'll automatically activate your new plan after your current subscription ends, so you won't lose any remaining time. If you manage multiple websites, consider our bundles for 5, 10, or 15 websites. The more websites you include, the lower the average price per website, saving you up to 40% compared to purchasing individual plans. To compare all plans in detail, visit weblium.com/pricing or scan the QR code on your screen. Thanks for choosing Weblium.